at my client's home, Renee. We're in her mudroom, and as you can see, the space is a high traffic area with lots of clutter.
We have 3 children, 5 and under, so we don't have much time to keep things organized. The kids like to come in and just dump their stuff on the floor, so we just need help.
We're starting to pull things out of the little cubicles here and sorting them like items with like items. And then we're gonna start labeling them. So we're just gonna go through and you're gonna determine what you wanna keep, what you wanna declutter. So these are brand new and they still have tags on them. Yeah. What are we doing with those?
So those are, we're gonna use them.
We're gonna use them, okay. Which one do you think?
Okay, maybe these ones we'll keep.
These ones we'll keep.
Wow.
So what we did was label everything and where everybody's things go.
It's so different. It's nice.
You can see if you follow the 3 simple steps of sorting and categorizing, decluttering and paring down, and organizing and finessing, your space can look just as organized and neat and tidy as this.